Hello and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer here with today's lesson on fire extinguishers. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. A fire extinguisher is used in an emergency situation to extinguish or control small fires and should only be used as such. It is not intended for use on out-of-control fires or for situations that require the expertise of the fire department. Today's lesson will focus on being prepared, classifications of different fire extinguishers, maintenance, and when and how to fight small fires. Being prepared in the event of a fire can save lives and property. In any workplace you may find yourself in, you should know the following. Know where the fire extinguishers are located. They should be mounted in readily accessible locations. Know how to properly operate the fire extinguishers. And know the correct type of extinguisher for the particular fire you're dealing with. There are also classifications of fire extinguishers that help you determine what kind of fire the extinguisher is meant for. Pay particular attention to the different classifications so you will always have the correct extinguisher in the right location. Class A, for ordinary combustible materials such as wood and paper, like you'd find at a pallet production facility or where there are large amounts of paper. Class B, for flammable liquids and gases such as gasoline, diesel, or any other type of gas in a compressed cylinder. Class C, for energized electrical equipment such as microwaves or computers. Class D, for combustible metals such as magnesium, potassium, or any combustible metal alloys that can react explosively to water. Class K, for cooking oils, grease, or animal fats like those you'd find in a kitchen or restaurant setting. And Halon, for sensitive electrical equipment or aircraft parts.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.